Hey guys, hit that like button down there. Hit that subscribe button as well, so you can stay tuned and see all the new videos that we're putting out on our YouTube channel. What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. We have Jen here today. So she's actually with child. This is your third child we've been through with you. So what kind of goes on with your issues or your pain?
Lower back, neck, and then I sometimes get bad headaches.
Okay, yeah, like the tension headache type thing. So we're going to go through and show you what we do for her and a lot of other pregnant patients as well. So we'll go ahead and get started. Same old, same old? Mm-hmm. Ooh, turn your head to the right. Okay, to the left.
Something's off.
Yeah.
Surprised. Ooh. Ooh, that was good.
Still using the foam roller?
Nope, can't do it anymore.
Too hard?
Mm-hmm.
It's probably a lot of pressure. Alright, lift your chin up. That one, your chin. Same thing, chin up. Pull that back a little bit. My hand's slipping on it. Good. Awesome. Alright.
I felt like that side was gonna go because it was tighter. Yep.
How's the headaches been?
Not too bad since last week. It was worse last week.
Ooh, some crunchiness in there. A little bit more.
That felt tighter when you did it that way. That felt tighter when you did it that way. I was waiting for that.
That was the one. Pulling that leg.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Alright, let's go to your low back.
Okay.
Bring this one out.
I feel like this is going to be a good one.
Just jinxed us.
Nope, it already went. It's going now. Do you hear it?
Yeah. Just opening right up. Perfect. Bring this one a little bit forward. There you go. Not that really.
Wasn't as bad today.
That right neck was...
So what was making everything
was terrible.
bad?
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to do the Y-strap now. Just come lift your head up. Alright, down. Okay, just breathe normally. One big deep breath in and out. Just breathe normally again. How's that?
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic in Orland Park. If you're looking for a Y-strap doctor around the Chicagoland area, give us a call. If you're also looking for good old-fashioned hands-on chiropractic that gets you where you need to be and gets your recovery started faster, give us a call here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic.